A snapshot into the future of fire system service. These days, we're used to being connected at any time from anywhere, accessing email from smartphones, getting turn-by-turn directions, and video conferencing from 8 time zones away. It's all second nature. But when it comes to managing fire systems, most system integrators are stuck working with tools from the past. With limited remote insight into your customers' systems, it's difficult to serve them as efficiently as you'd like. It's time-consuming and frustrating to solve problems over the phone. Meaning that, for most service requests, you need to physically travel to the client's site. First to configure the system, then again for routine service and maintenance. And when responding to alerts, yep, more travel. Simply put, delivering great service to your customers is costly and time-consuming. That is, until now. It's time to break free from the past and enter a new era of fire system service with remote services from Bosch. It all begins with Remote Connect, the foundation that paves the way for remote maintenance and remote alert capabilities. Remote Connect technology is so simple to install and configure that no IT expertise is required. Just connect the fire panel to the secure network gateway, enter your ID, access code and a few parameters, and in under 30 minutes you can configure the system from nearly anywhere. This innovative connectivity gives you remote display and access capabilities with the highest levels of data security. That means you can access your client's fire systems remotely to identify and evaluate problems in real time, whether on-site or off. No more unnecessary traveling, no more being stuck in the dark. Step into the future of fire system service with a secure remote connection for simple configuration, updates, fault identification and troubleshooting. Enjoy a high-tech solution that puts true remote connectivity at your fingertips and sets the stage for future remote capabilities, including remote alerts for instant notification of system faults and remote maintenance for real-time system reporting. Learn how to break free from the past with Bosch Remote Services.